All right, in this question, you're given the hydroxide ion concentration, and you're asked to find the pH. Ooh, those don't match. Hydroxide matches with POH, and pH matches with hydrogen ion. So maybe we'll have to figure out the POH first, and then figure out the pH. So the POH is equal to negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. So it's negative log of 3.3 times 10 to the minus 5. Let's see what that comes out to. So negative log of 3.3 times 10 to the minus 5. So 4.4814. 4.4814. That'll be my POH. So if they want to know what your pH is, then I've got to subtract it from 14, right? So 14, take away that. 14. So 14, take away that. Oh. 9.5185. 9.5185. So sig figs, there's two sig figs, so 9.52 I'd say. Probably that one. You probably got this one, 4.48, and that's for a POH, that'd be correct, but they asked for pH. Here's another question. How many moles of ions will be present in that? All right, so it's sodium phosphate, so that's Na3PO4. So if you dump that in water, it forms sodium ions, whoops, just a plus, and phosphate ions. And to balance it, there's 3 sodium, so I need 3 here and 1 there. So if I have 1 mole of sodium phosphate, it'll give me 3 moles of sodium and 1 mole of phosphate. Okay, but now I have to figure out with this how many moles I have. So my formula C equals N over V. I want to solve for moles. So C times V. So the concentration is 0.450 moles per liter times 0.716 liters. Liters cancel. Okay, calculator. So I have to go 0.450 times 0.716. Okay, so that gives me, the moles I have are 0.3222 moles. And that's how many moles I have of the sodium phosphate. So 0.3222 moles. Now looking at the ratio for the phosphate, it's going to be the same, 0.322 moles. But for the sodium, it's going to be, you have to multiply it by 3. So if I take this and times it by 3, I get 0.9666. So this one's 0.9666. So if they ask how many moles of ions will I have, I'm going to have to add those two. So it'll be 1.28 or something like that, 1.29, right about in there. All right, for both questions, just a little bit tricky. Hope that helps.